The tech world has been holding its breath for a machine that bridges the gap between sleek design and raw, unadulterated power. And in 2026, the silence is finally broken. Apple is not just updating a product. They're reclaiming a legacy with the all-new iMac Pro. This isn't the all-in-one you've grown used to over the last few years. This is a workstation disguised as a masterpiece, a monolith of glass and aluminum designed to push the boundaries of what is possible on a single desk. For years, the professional community felt sidelined by the colorful, consumer-focused iMacs, but the 2026 Pro model is a love letter to the power users, the 8K editors, the 3D architects, and the developers who refuse to compromise. From a moment you see the darkened titanium chassis, you realize that the rules of desktop computing have been rewritten. The heart of this revolution lies within the silicon, specifically the M5 Ultra chip, a piece of engineering so advanced it feels like it arrived from 5 years in the future. We're talking about a unified memory architecture that shatters previous benchmarks, allowing for near-instantaneous rendering of complex scenes that used to take hours. Imagine a 27-inch or even a rumored 32-inch ProMotion XDR display that doesn't just show colors, but breathes life into every pixel with a peak brightness that rivals the sun. This isn't just about high resolution. It's about a 120 Hz refresh rate on a panel that supports a billion colors with a contrast ratio so deep that the blacks disappear into the bezel. The integration of tandem OLED technology ensures that every frame of your video or every line of your code is rendered with surgical precision. But the story doesn't end with the screen. The thermal architecture has been completely reimagined to ensure that even under the most grueling workloads, the iMac Pro remains whisper quiet. Apple has utilized a high-efficiency vapor chamber system that pulls heat away from the M5 Ultra with unprecedented speed, meaning your CPU and GPU will never throttle when you need them most. Connectivity has reached a new zenith with Thunderbolt 5 ports that offer data transfer speeds reaching up to 120 gigabits per second, making external storage feel as fast as the internal SSD. For the first time, we are seeing a professional machine that balances aesthetics with extreme utility, featuring a built-in SDXC card slot and a high-impedance headphone jack located right where you need them. The 2026 iMac Pro is also a hub for the next era of spatial computing. With deep integration for Vision OS and advanced sensors hidden behind the glass, this machine acts as the ultimate workstation for creators building the metaverse. The FaceTime camera has been upgraded to a 12MP center stage sensor that uses computational photography to ensure you look professional even in poor lighting. The spatial audio system, consisting of 6 speakers with force-canceling woofers, creates a soundstage so wide you'll forget you aren't wearing high-end studio monitors. This is the machine that ends the debate between the Mac Studio and the iMac. It is the definitive answer for anyone who wants the cleanest desk setup without sacrificing the horsepower of a server room. As we look at the leaked benchmarks and the supply chain whispers, one thing is clear: the competition is scrambling. While others are focusing on incremental updates, Apple has taken a leap into a new category of performance. The starting configurations are rumored to include a massive 64 gigabytes of unified memory, making it clear that this is not a machine for the faint of heart. It is for those who demand excellence, and those whose time is their most valuable currency. Whether you are a music producer layering hundreds of tracks or a scientist running complex simulations, the iMac Pro 2026 is designed to disappear into your workflow, leaving only the results of your genius. The era of waiting is over. The rumors of its cancellation were greatly exaggerated, and what has emerged from the labs in Cupertino is nothing short of a desktop revolution. It represents the pinnacle of Apple's vertical integration, where software and hardware exist in a perfect, symbiotic dance. This is more than a computer. It is a statement. It is a tool that empowers you to create things that were impossible yesterday. As the release date approaches, the excitement is reaching a fever pitch because the world knows that when Apple puts the Pro label on an M.A.C., the industry changes forever. The king of all-in-ones has returned to its throne, and the view from the top is absolutely breathtaking.